My name's Ian Wood and my vehicle here is a 64 EH Holden Panelvan. Has a Day of the Dead theme running through it, a subtle Day of the Dead theme, and her name is Catrina, who's an icon of the Day of the Dead in Mexico. So you will see a few references to the Day of the Dead. Everything has been touched on the car. There are only the panels are probably original, but everything else has been touched. And is fairly well custom right through. I was a panel van guy as a kid. I lost interest after that because I never thought I'd be able to afford one. And I got back into them only 5 or 6 years ago when I was buying a van for work. And I wondered whether any of the vans from the 70s and 80s were still around. Saw one which was an EH and decided I wanted it. It had already been sold, and then this van came about and I followed it through. And this is one of 3 EH Holden panel vans I have, so this is the first one. It's taken 6 years to get us to this point. The theme came about mainly due to my obsession, my wife and I, obsession with Mexico, where we love the country, love everything about it. So the Day of the Dead theme running through it was sort of a natural thing for me to do. I can't do anything half-assed. I've got to go, it's either all in or don't bother doing it at all. So it had to be to a fairly high level. Now I'll show it a couple of more times before I'll get to drive it and drive it regularly. So.